Hi guys, today I will show you how can you use sum formula in Excel. The sum formula is used for get the total value of number. Here you can use the 1 to 255 number, or you can use cell or range references 1 to 255 ranges. So in first example, I will show you how can you use one range. There are 9 values and I want to sum it. Then select the cell where you want to output and write equal and write sum and bracket and select the whole range where you have numbers and press enter. So by this way you will get the total value of range. And second example, how can you use multiple ranges in sum formula? Then go to output cell and press equal and write sum and select one by one range which you want to add. Select the first range and press comma and select the second range and press comma and select the third range and bracket close. Now press enter. By this way, you will get a total value of multiple range or references. So thank you guys. This was the tutorial of sum formula.